never reach true success. Number one, hard work. Forget about luck. It's all about hard work, believe me. Number two, patience. If you're losing patience, you're losing the battle. Number three, sacrifice. If you don't sacrifice for what you want, then what you want becomes the sacrifice. Number four, consistency. Consistency transforms the average into the extraordinary. Number five, discipline. Motivation gets you started, but discipline keeps you going strong. Number six, self-confidence. It's not about whether they like you, it's about knowing you'll be just fine if they don't.